everybody, this is our daily agenda for Wednesday, April 28th. Today is odds. So for today, we are doing a slide check. I noticed for a lot of our classes, while most of you are on track, there are still quite a few of you that are not on track, who have not been clearly following directions. So we're going to stop and we're going to reset for today. So we're going to look at our digital portfolios. We are going to be putting those finishing touches on them today. So we are going to start with uploading your favorite slide. This is the very first thing we are going to do in class. My period 3-4, you were required to finish a slide before coming to class today. So we're going to use this example that I had you guys kind of look at last week about full points, half points. This would be close to full points. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you one more time. How do you copy and paste into our classroom slide? This is the first thing you guys are doing today. What you are going to do is you are going to click this slide once. You are going to click it until the blue borders show up. Then you are going to push Control A until all of those boxes highlight everything. So that means everything in this slide has been highlighted. Now you're going to Control C. If you think you didn't copy it, do it again. Hold the Control button and then press the C key. And then let go. Then we're going to go over to our classroom slide. We're going to say that this one belongs to Ms. Ornella's. Let's just pretend that it already had my name there. You're going to go to the slide. You're going to click it once. You're going to put Control, so press the Control key, and then V. Everything will paste over. Notice the little boxes transferred. All you have to do is take your mouse outside and click, and the boxes will go away. And now if you need to adjust your frame, if you don't think it looks as good, or you need to just do little minor adjustments, feel free. That's how you do it, ladies and gentlemen. So that is how you will copy and paste. I will show you one more way to also copy and paste. I'm going to put 2 slides down just so you can see. The other way to copy and paste, to go to slide 2 and to go copy, you have to make sure you click this slide. If you want slide 3 or slide 4, you would click a right click, copy, then go to the classroom slide, right click the slide that you want it to copy to, paste. There it is. Alright. And then you just link and keep the original styles. And there you go. That's all you have to do, ladies and gentlemen. Super, super, super easy. Okay? The other thing you need to do, once you have your slide, so this is mine. This is Ms. Ornella's, right? Put your name on it, ladies and gentlemen. Ms. Ornella's. I did this work for your example. You guys have done work. Put your name on it. I cannot emphasize this enough. This is what we will be showing for open house. I do not want to see blank squares. I don't want to see screenshots of this. You have to copy and paste. The main reason why is that it doesn't transfer over if it's a screenshot. It doesn't look good, ladies and gentlemen, period. I want this to look nice and clean. Okay, so I will be going over this tomorrow in class with you all on how to do it. So that is how you upload it. There is no exceptions to that. Reflections. So reflections are those side ones where this assignment/project was about. Each one has to be 2 to 3 complete sentences. That is the bare minimum, ladies and gentlemen. Do not write one word at the end of each sentence. Do not write the title. So for example, the student put the assignment/project is about journaling for 30 days. No, it was not just about journaling for 30 days. Talk about how there are different topics for each day. How you had to respond with pictures some days, or some days you had to write, or there were bullet point lists or goals. If you need help answering them, there's directions, there's examples all over this unit. Okay, that's your reflection. Your hyperlinks. I've said this once, I've said this twice. I've said this a million times. Your hyperlinks should say the name of each assignment. If it's your vision board, it should say vision board. If it is your 30-day writing challenge, it should say, ladies and gentlemen, 30-day writing challenge. Do not leave the link in each section. I do not want to see this on the right. If you need help on how to hyperlink, go to our classroom, pull up the example, which is right next to your own digital portfolio, and at the bottom, it shows you where the question, how to answer the questions, how to hyperlink, and then how to screenshot. So let's talk about those screenshots. The screenshots I'm seeing, I don't like them. Not on the classroom digital portfolio, and not on your own portfolios. The screenshots of your assignments should be from your Chromebook, so the quality is something that I can see from your Chromebook. They are not the cover pages. I don't want to see this. I want to see your work. And they're not from your phones. A lot of you are just taking pictures on your phones. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know why you're making it harder for yourselves. Take the screenshot from your Chromebooks. Your Chromebooks just got an update. It's easier now. If you need help screenshotting, again, there are directions on how to do that. Okay? All right. This is our continued checklist. You should be actually done with this checklist. I know a few of you are almost there. Still need a little more. Your final reflection questions. If you have not done this video, if you've not turned this in, ladies and gentlemen, you need to make sure that this gets in. Our exit ticket for today is to input your slide into our classroom portfolio. If you have not done that, you will not be leaving class and you will be seeing me after class. So make sure you get that in. All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me, ask Ms. Arroyo, ask Ms. Reyes, and we will help you. Tutoring is also available if you need additional help on how to input these slides. All right then, as always, if you have questions, reach out. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class.